In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an online store in Hostinger e-commerce tutorial. We'll start from a blank slate with Hostinger Website Builder, customize a polished website quickly, and then add a full online store so you can start selling right away. After signing in, head to the Websites tab and start a new project with the builder. An AI prompt appears immediately. Enter your brand or website title, describe the type of site you want, and let the AI generate a complete template. If the first draft isn't your style, just regenerate. Pick a color scheme that fits your brand and you'll get a clean layout with demo text and images you can replace. Jump into the editor to personalize it. To embed a video, open Add Elements on the left and choose Video. Drag it into place, resize it, add simple animations, and paste the link. YouTube and Vimeo work best. For images, upload your own or use the built-in stock library. There's also an AI image generator for custom visuals. Just keep an eye on credits so you don't run out. The drag and drop editor is straightforward and keeps your layout intact as you move things around. If you don't have a logo, try the AI logo maker for a quick, sleek mark. Before you go live, switch to the mobile view to make sure everything reads well on smaller screens. Preview your site, then click Publish. You'll be prompted to set up a domain. Hostinger often includes the first year free, but remember to check renewal pricing. If you're not ready to commit, use a subdomain and upgrade later. Now let's add the store. From the left menu, click Add Store. Hostinger creates a shop page and unlocks a dashboard where you'll manage products, orders, and payments. Integrate the shop into your existing layout, rename the page if needed, and add it to your navigation so visitors can find it easily. Upload product photos, write concise, compelling descriptions, and set prices. Use the display controls to choose a grid or list, feature bestsellers, and enable filters so shoppers can sort quickly. Add a secure payment method right inside the builder. No extra plugins required. And note that e-commerce features require the appropriate plan, so check the current options. Give everything a final pass in desktop and mobile previews, then publish again. Your portfolio and store now feel like one cohesive website, ready for visitors and sales. If this walkthrough helped, consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials, and share your experience building with Hostinger in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.